They can't enforce it? Oh, I like this song. Oh, past Mitch. Making me sad. Also mad at these people, because Jesus. I'll go see X-Files soon. Aliens. Gotta go see the aliens. Marty, what are you yelling at? Okay, I think that's good. I feel like I improved a little bit. Okay, let me do the before and after. Let me do this first. Zodiac number 1 finished. Ta-da! A little bit of an improvement. Just slightly. Do you know what I didn't do? I can add them after, but I didn't do the freckles that I like to do. But I'll add them on in a little second. We'll go see X-File. I'm pretty proud of that. I love the background. Yes, I will be posting this on Instagram during next week because I need a Pokemon's post. Okay, X-File. No, X-File. Shh. I'm glad it does. Okay, please go share all the galactic love to X-File. Thank you all so much for joining me on redoing this. I know those stars at the end were... I mean, I find them really relaxing, so I don't know how you guys find them, but this will also be available on my Etsy eventually. So make sure you keep an eye on that and my Instagram. But thank you all so much. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend, and I will be back on Monday for Poke Monday. Thank you all again. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I was able to redo it after thinking about it for so long. But yeah. All right, go say hello to X-File. They are doing seed beating. Share the galactic love and fare thee well. Mwah. Bye.
so I've just been going back and